Wait, did you know Grok AI can still generate videos completely for free? Most people don't know this exists. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, including how to turn a basic idea into a full multi-scene AI video. Grok AI has one of the most impressive video generation models out there right now, and most people think you have to pay to use it. You don't. Let me show you how. Quick thing before we start. If you are new here, this channel is about making money with AI and using AI tools in practical ways that actually save you time and money. I drop tutorials like this every week. So like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need is the right platform. There is a website that gives you direct free access to Grok's video model. And if you drop a comment below, I will send it to you directly. So once you land on the site, go ahead and create a free account. I have created mine around. You can just create with Google. The easiest way is just signing up with your Gmail. It takes about 15 seconds. No credit card, nothing like that. Once you are inside, look for the video generation section in the menu, Video Gen. It's easy to spot. Click on it. And here is the part that surprises most people. You will see a list of available models, and Grok's video model is right here for free in the list. So free to select, free to use. Go ahead and click on it. And before we generate anything, let me walk you through the settings. This is the part that trips people up, so pay attention here. You have your main prompt box from here in the center. Here up, you have an option to attach an image reference. We will use that in a few minutes. And then there is an advanced settings toggle. Click on advanced. And here, inside advanced, you can set the orientation of your video, landscape, portrait, square, vertical, horizontal. For YouTube or general use, landscape 16:9 is what you want. Now here is the important part. To keep everything free, you need to keep the resolution set to standard. Not high, only standard, and the duration should be set to 60 seconds. And something worth knowing, there is actually no cap on how many videos you can generate in total. You can make as many as you want. The only thing that stays fixed on the free tier is that each clip is 6 seconds and standard 480 pixels resolution. That's the only limit, but otherwise you can use for free unlimited. Alright, let's generate our first video. We are starting simple, just a text prompt, no image. Here is what I'm going to use. In the prompt box, I have ready my prompt. I will paste, and I have a lone astronaut standing on the surface of Mars, and dust storm rolling in from the horizon, cinematic wide shot, warm golden hour lightning. I will choose the orientation, landscape 16:9. Make sure the resolution is standard, 480 pixels, and the duration must be 6 seconds to keep it for free. And I will hit generate with Grok. While this is processing, it usually takes anywhere from 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. This is a good moment to start thinking about your next prompt, or pull up ChatGPT, which we will use it a bit later. It is finalizing already the video. You can see here that it's using model Grok 3 for free. So it took some minutes to generate, but we get here in notifications when it's ready. Video generation complete. So the astronaut video that we wanted to generate, it's ready. Let's click here and watch the video. So there it is. Look at that. The dust movement, the atmosphere, the lighting. That is Grok AI doing its thing completely for free. Once it's done, you will see the full settings details right here. And there is this download button. Click it and it saves straight to your device. Now let's do something even more powerful. We are going to generate a video that starts from a custom image. This gives you much more control over the visual style of your output. So in this case, you can use any tool that generates AI images, or you can choose this Filmmaking. We can choose this for now, and here in the prompt. So I have ready my prompt, what output I want. If you need this prompt, you can comment in the comment sections under this video, and I can give you. So you choose 16 by 9. The output format will be PNG and the resolution 1K. You can choose a image reference for this, but since you are already writing a prompt, I don't think it's necessary for this use case. 1K resolution, and you will see that it costs 0 credits for us to generate this. So click on generate. And it takes around 1 minute this to be generated. So once it's ready, we will use this image generation for our video. Okay, so let's check in notifications if it's ready. Yeah, it's actually ready. You can see the image generation complete around a minute ago. So let's click in this. And here is our crocodile. So here is our crocodile with the details, the prompt that we have written there, and the details of the image. And now we want to download this image. Let's click on download, and it will come to your computer. Okay, now that you got your image, switch back to the video generator so that we can animate the image that we got for free also. So click in video again and Grok AI free. And now once you are here, let's put the prompt that we want for the video. So here I will put my prompt for specifically this crocodile animation for the image that we want to reference. So let's choose our image. So let's take our image and upload here. Here we have set already the image, the one that previously we did create. And we will choose the same landscape 16 by 9, standard for 180, and duration 6 seconds, so that it's for free, this generation. You can see that we still have 40 credits and nothing has cost to us. Let's click in generate with Grok. This can take some minutes, so it will show up here when it's ready. Wow, look, our video is generated, and let's watch it. You see the movements, the cinematic style. This is the kind of content people pay good money for tools to create, and yeah, you just made this for free. Okay, so now that we are in ChatGPT, what we are going to do is use the last prompt that we used already for the video prompt, for the video generation, and we will say now, based on this video prompt, which was the one that we used earlier, write me, parting from this scene, 3 sequential video generation prompts for a short cinematic story around the same crocodile. Each prompt should describe one scene with cinematic and atmospheric detail suitable for a 6-second AI video clip. So the part that you need, starting from your last scene is this one. Let's wait for ChatGPT. So we got our 3 scenes. And what we will do is copy this from ChatGPT, and let's go back to our video generation. Let's click again, video gen, Grok. Let's again take the reference image, and we are going this time to place the first sequential for our short movie. Then we will choose again landscape, standard, 6 seconds, and let's click on generate. Okay, our video generation is ready. Remember that if you want to use for free this, you have to wait until the first video is ready before you start doing a second video. Click on video generation complete, and let's now watch the output of this short movie that we are doing. Okay, that's amazing. Let's go with our second prompt. Let's go back to ChatGPT, and then let's copy the second prompt for our cinematic short movie. Let's go back. Okay, so that we do this short movie, what you're going to do to keep it for free, because I tried this extend option, which is actually good, but this is for paid users, and since we want to keep this for free, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the last frame of the movie. What you are going to do is print screen this frame, and then you go back to video gen, save it, you can use first frame, let's take it from here, you place it here as an image reference, and the key is that you place the last frame of what you already generated in the first video. That is the key to keep consistency in your short movie. Then you will place the prompt that you got from ChatGPT. Let's just check that is the prompt. Let's copy just in case, and let's make sure it's landscape standard 6 seconds, and now let's generate with Grok. Okay, so as you can see, we got our second video as a continuation for our short movie. Let's put play. Okay, that was good. It's quite nice quality. Now, what we are going to do is the same. We are going to go to the last frame. So now that we got our second video for our short movie, what we are going to do is again screenshot this last frame. So let's take from here to here. Let's again just paste on paint, save as a second frame. And now let's go back to video again, and we will now delete the prompt that we used for the second video. Select the new image reference that we got, which is this one, and then we will copy the prompt. The third one, this will be your last one for our short movie. It's a really short movie, so let's copy the prompt, and let's make sure it's 16:9 standard 6 seconds. Our image is here, and let's hit on generate. And we will wait until it's ready again. And yes, here we got our third clip for our short movie. Let's click and watch. So that was a really nice short. Yeah. One thing to keep in mind here is that if you ever go to start a second generation, let's say the second clip or third clip for this short movie, and the tool seems to stall or gives you unexpected message or errors, it's almost always because the first video hasn't fully finished yet to be generated. So just wait for that first one to complete before you kick off the next one. Always queue them one at a time and you will have zero issues. So now we got 3 clips, 3 scenes. Now let me show you how to turn them into one finished video in about 2 minutes around. So for editing you can use CapCut or Clipchamp. Both are completely free. I'm going to use Clipchamp since it comes built right into Windows, no download needed. Open Clipchamp. Start a new project. So just click here in blank video, and here in my media import the 3 clips that we got. Now that we have our 3 clips, I just have renaming them in 1, 2, 3 so that I know the order. Just let's move them here. Let's bring them in order. Drag and drop them into the timeline. Make sure they match. And then finally the third clip. Let's just make sure they are matching. Yeah, if any clip has a small gap or an outward cut, just trim there, right on the timeline. Takes about 10 seconds. But let's see for now how does it look, if we have to do some edit or not. Okay, that was our movie. Okay, we are not going to enter in details because that's already for another video, how to do video editing, or yeah, that's more like video editing. So once you are happy with what you see and what you got as a short movie, you just click on export. In the right corner you can choose between 1080, 4K. I believe CapCut goes up to 4K for free. Both are more than enough for social media on YouTube, so click on export. It will then process the short movie, the 3 clips that we got. This is like a complete multi-scene AI video built from scratch and completely free. That's what's possible right now. Okay, now your video is ready, and then we just save the final. It's here, and then let's watch it, the final output. Yeah, this is a final output made really fast. Of course you can still polish the details between the clips. I haven't done that. We want to make this tutorial precise and not really teaching video editing, but what we really need here is to be able to create these clips, and then of course you can polish later the jumps between, or make some kind of transitions between the clips. As I say, that's for video editing, so I'm not here showing you how to edit, but how to create anyway these 3 video clips that they anyway match, and you can create this. And that's the complete workflow, from a blank screen to a finished AI generate video, all for free. Grok AI for the generation, ChatGPT to build your story structure, and Clipchamp or CapCut to bring it all together. If any part of this was useful to you, subscribing genuinely helps this channel grow, and it means I can keep making tutorials like this. And if you have any questions about anything we covered today, drop them in the comments. I come back and answer personally, so don't be shy, please. Now, if you want to keep building with AI without spending a lot of money, watch the next video. I will show you how to get NNN, one of the most powerful AI automation tools out there, for around $7 a month. And if you are building any kind of content pipeline or automation workflow, that one is going to save you a serious amount of time and money. The video is right here on the screen, so see you there.